Welcome to the Home Care Guide video series. This program will get you ready to live in and maintain your Clayton Built home for years to come.
By taking an active role in the maintenance and care of your home on a weekly, monthly, and yearly basis, you can help reduce costly heating and cooling expenses and service calls. A new home is exciting and rewarding, which is why you will want to take proper care of it so that you can enjoy it for years to come.
The tips in this series are designed to share how to properly care for your home when life happens. By the end of this series, you'll be better prepared to maintain your home to keep it in shape.
We're glad you joined the Clayton Built family, just like thousands of others across the country. Now, let's get started on a better understanding of how to care for a Clayton Built home so that it lasts a lifetime.